This week was about responsibilities and honesty. And when I say honesty, I mean being honest with yourself, which in then turns into taking responsibilities for your life. Being honest with myself meant getting up each morning to go work out and keeping true to my skincare. I want a specific body and I need to work hard to get it. I need to go outside to make sure I'm healthy, that I'm okay. I need to eat well and make sure that I am eating well. Everything and all those in between are a necessity to being responsible and honest. I used to think that there were things out there that I needed to be perfect, and that's just not the truth. What I really needed was waking up early in the morning, sticking to my workout routine, eating a fulfilling meal, connecting with friends that I haven't seen in a while or heard from in a while, trying new hobbies and skills and learning things that I used to know and I still want to know, being and just existing. Those are very important things to experience in life. And I was holding myself back from that because I could not be honest and take responsibilities. And another perfect way is acknowledging what you do and don't need. And it could look like many things, honestly. I know this week it was kind of like a refresh, but it made me realize that this is something that I should be doing frequently. Trying to live this type of life or experiencing things that I've never got to experience before and really wanted to. But I found it hard. And the thing was, realistically, it's not that hard. It isn't. If you really, really, truly, honestly want it, there's gonna be this willpower, this surge in you that it's gonna happen. It has to happen. It's something that needs to be done. And that's how it felt this week. So, since we're friends, I will tell you my goals. I want to live an authentic life that is free of shame, anger, guilt, and sadness. I want to be spontaneous and loving and caring. I want to go to school and get my degree, my certificate, maybe a master's. I don't know, anything. Because I could do it, you could do it, we could do it. I want to be free from my environment that I'm in now and live and have a safe space that's truly safe and secure to my emotions and well-being. I want to adopt more cats and maybe a dog, a Samoyed, and I want to be able to go outside without feeling fear and see my friends without feeling like I'm a burden or ashamed, and have a real friend group that isn't just built off of what's the word? Built out of convenience, I guess. I want to laugh and smile for no reason at all, just because I can. I want to be a homeowner. I want to be someone who starts her own business. I I want to work a job that I love or have a career that I love. Just something that proves to me that I could exist and I could exhale in this world. I usually